Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can check when a product was published on Shopify. Once you are on the Shopify admin dashboard, look at the menu on the left side and click on Products. This will take you to the product list page where you can see all the items in your store. At the top right corner of this page, you will see a button labeled Edit Products, or you might see Bulk Edit depending on your version of Shopify. Click on this button. This will open a spreadsheet-like editor where you can manage multiple product details at the same time. In the bulk editor, look for the Columns button at the top of the page. Click on Columns to open the list of available fields you can display. From this list, make sure that the option called Online Store is checked. If it is not checked, click on it to enable it. Once the Online Store column is visible, scroll horizontally to the right until you see it. This column displays the published date and time of each product. For example, you might see a date like August 5th, 2025 at 12:25 p.m. This is the exact date and time when the product was published to your store, and that is how you can check when a product was published on Shopify.